Jamaica Kincaid. This is a presentation done by myself, Zachary Merritt, on the date of November 17th, 2019. Jamaica Kincaid was born on May 25th, 1949, and her birth name was Elaine Cynthia Porter. Her birthplace was St. John's, Antigua. She currently lives in North Bennington, Vermont, and is employed as an African and African American studies at Harvard University as a professor. Her early life, she was raised by her mother and stepfather. She was the only daughter of four children and grew up in poverty. She attended British colonial education system, in which she was a very brilliant child. Her mother took her out of school at age 16 as her stepfather became ill. Her mother anticipated and wanted her to work to support the family. At age 17, her mother sent her to Scarsdale, which is a wealthy suburb in New York, to work as an umpire or a maid. Her family life, she married in 1979 to Alan Sharon, a professor at Bennington College. She divorced in 2002, in which they had two children, a son and a daughter, Harold and Annie. Her career path started when she enrolled in evening classes at a community college, in which she earned a full scholarship. She wrote a teenage girls magazine, as well as changed her name to Jamaica Kincaid in 1973, which was her first writing published. This new name had no limitations attached to it when she took it on. Jamaica Kincaid had a very long list of works, which included style of writing, topics of writing, colonialism, colonial legacy, post-colonialism, neo-colonialism, and gender and sexuality, which were all topics. A few accomplishments that Jamaica Kincaid contributed to were Annie John, A Small Place, At the Bottom of the River, and Girl. This concludes my presentation on Jamaica Kincaid. Thank you.